double hit mode. There we go. Hey everybody, my name is Robert. If you haven't been to this channel, please check out my videos, and if you do like it, please subscribe. And if you've been here before, welcome back guys. I truly appreciate you. So I'm with my oldest son Jesse and my #1 helper and hard shell taco. And the reason why I am talking about hard shell taco today is because I have a mod that's been very important that I've been using for the truck, but I actually am changing it for something even easier to use. So I'm going to show you what that is in a second. So my original camera setup actually included a bunch of these switches. Each switch takes 4 wires. So I had to use 8 wires to get everything installed. Now the other issue is that I actually had to do some soldering and use these diodes so the cameras would work individually, front and rear. When I upgraded my system to the switchable system, which reduced a ton of the wiring, I had difficulties turning on the rear reverse camera because of the position. I also wanted to save a slot for other lightings or other switches. And as you can see here, I had taken up a space on the front switch as well. So now I wanted to eliminate both extra switches. First thing we have to do to do our work is we have to remove this radio cover. So you're just going to kind of grab it from the side and just yank on it slowly. Don't be too scared. It'll just pop out. I usually go to the right and then I work it so I can get the left side out. Just slowly do it, and now it's off. And you can see it's all one piece that pops off. Radio for us? Yeah, you gotta use the socket set. Yeah, this is a cool set I got from MotoVex Tools. It's their 1/4" set, and I'm really impressed with it so far.
So we're gonna take this out. Oh, fine. I want to still use an extension.
Yeah, we're gonna use an extension. This is what size, Jesse?
It's a 10.
10 millimeter.
It's a 10 millimeter.
It's always a 10 millimeter, guys.
Yes, so we're gonna put that on 10 millimeters. I'm using. In 1 second, we're gonna unscrew this now.
So there's 4 bolts. Unbolt it. 4 bolts. One here, one here.
Right now I'm on
one here, one here. So he's gonna take care of that.
Cup holder.
And make sure you pay attention because it's really easy to start dropping it in certain holes by accident.
All 4 bolts are out.
Yep.
Here we're gonna take off the screen. This thing I need help because I'm afraid that I'm gonna break it. And those wires, but we're gonna disconnect them now.
So we're gonna disconnect most of the cables here. There's some that are actually intertwined in there that doesn't have to come out. So you just take your time and start pulling them out.
Just getting this cable out.
We are replacing it to put a camera system in here.
Tools Verizon. Wait,
huh?
SoundCloud. Let me just test.
I hope so.
Let me unplug this cable. Let me find where this cable. Unplugging. Let's unplug this.
You have to wiggle it sometimes.
It's wiggling. It's unplugged, but I'm making sure the
so the ones that loop out, you don't
don't
have to take out.
I see this one's looped, so I don't need to take this out.
Daddy, why are you fixing it? Is it a new camera?
Yeah. Well, new camera system.
What cost is it, Daddy? What cost?
Trying to wiggle it. There we go. All the camera.
So now you can see here is that we left the other cables there because.
Oh my goodness! I've never seen that.
You're silly.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so that's the reason why we didn't leave the other adapters out, because they're all intertwined and you can just yank it out. You don't have to yank it out totally, but this is easier so you can start working on the other wiring, which is right there. This is by Car Solutions, by the way. So if you want to know more information about it, I'll put the link in the description, okay guys?
Oh, what cars?
It's pretty cool. It's very simple. Basically, it's plug and play. So you can see there's 2 plugs here and a bunch of harnesses right there. So Jesse's going to start plugging in things. Just a quick explanation though, just to let you know. So we have rear cameras already in this truck. So all you got to do is
plug in the front camera.
Plug in the front camera. So we're going to do the F cam, which is the front camera on the bottom. Also, there's 2 sets of power wires. You can see that says 12 volt here out. So it's positive and negative here. And also Jesse's holding the other end, which is 6 volt. What are you doing, Jonah? That's so funny. So anyways, we're not going to use a 6 volt. The camera I've run and I've used before. I ran the wire already here. So you can see the camera or the video cable here. And I've already gone ahead and it came with this bullet connector. So I ran the bullet connector right here. and crimped it already. And I also taped it because that way, just in case it won't slip out. And that's the camera connection right there that I have. I'm gonna upgrade the camera later. This camera's okay, but I've seen better cameras, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna be having Jesse patch everything up. These wires right here, they basically go in between a couple of the harnesses as an interface, and then we'll operate it, and you'll really be surprised how awesome it is. So yeah, so we got another passenger here, so I got all the kids in the truck now. So we got the Car Solutions module. You got the harnesses, Jesse?
Got the stings here.
Yeah, both harnesses. So I'm gonna have you start plugging away. Let's go ahead and plug in the camera first, since we already added.
We're gonna add the front. F is the front camera.
That's right.
So we're gonna plug in the front right there. And then do we need what this plugs into?
That's the 12-volt positive. So there's 12-volt negative, which is black, and then the 12-volt out,
so we're gonna plug in
which is red. So you want to go red to red.
So we'll plug in the 12-volt
Yeah,
positive.
push it in when it's pretty secure. Did you get all the way in? Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like it's all the way in. Hold
Looks
it.
like it's all the way in. Doesn't get enough in all the way.
No.
It doesn't. Last time it didn't get in all the way either.
No,
There.
That's it. So we had to push it just a little bit more to get in there. So let's start hooking up other stuff. So the adapter, it's basically goes in between two adapters or two harnesses. So here's one, and where's the other one?
Here's this.
The other
Man, I'm
one.
just busy right now.
Yeah, actually this one goes in between one here, two here, and then that's it, right? In between.
Yeah.
Yep. So go ahead and start hooking up. Which one goes to which?
This one, maybe it goes like right here.
Was it that one? Until
Yeah.
it clicks.
Let's see if this works.
They're hungry. They want
Yeah.
pizza.
Let me plug this in. So
Is it pretty secure?
seams in, but
It's not gonna.
it's not clicking,
Jonah,
but it's
I'm
pretty
recording.
secure. It's pretty secure. It doesn't come
Okay.
out, fall out or anything.
If you didn't hear the click, it's okay. Just make sure it's not gonna come out. So it's not coming out. So we got that adapter here, and then looks like we need another adapter here. So go ahead and figure out which one this is.
Wait, we have this plug right here that plugs into the module there.
Yeah,
Can you plug it into the module sometime thing?
that does plug into the module,
This
right?
one here.
Which one does plug into the
This
module?
part right here. This part.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
We're plugging it to the module here. It's this connector. It's this one here.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah, I found it.
Okay.
So
now-
I plugged it in. I heard it click a little bit.
So now we have, that's it. Those are the connectors, right? Yes, Joanna.
I think people like pizza, but we're gonna go.
Who are you talking to? Okay, you gotta be a little quiet when we're recording, okay? All right, so now we're gonna kind of stick it in this cubby hole here. Just because the radio is gonna go right here. So I think it's okay to stick it in a nice spot. I think that's a good spot right there. You could kind of stick it over here on the left if you want to as well. Oh, that one might be better.
Yep. Okay.
Right there looks good. So then we're going to slowly bring every wire in, and we got to make sure that we account for every single wire. I think this one we're missing an adapter. We're supposed to plug in somewhere, Jesse. Can you figure out which one this goes to?
I'm gonna figure this out. Where should this plug into?
Because that's an interface too.
No, I'm looking. If not, there's another one that's hiding inside.
It's not this one right here? Oh no. It's got to be another one.
It's gotta be another one. Wait,
You don't see it, Jesse?
I'm looking. If there's another connector.
It's not this one. It's one of these.
It's not that one. Not that one either. But we
Oh,
have
you know
one.
what it is? I think it's from one of these here.
It's from all those here.
Yeah, I think it's that one.
I think this one here.
Yeah,
So
let's check it.
disconnect it.
So that's a little trick. It actually
I
comes
need
from
help
this one.
disconnect it.
I think it's this one. Hold the phone.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Is it this one?
Yeah, let me see if it fits. Yeah, it fits.
Is it that one?
Yes, it fits.
Okay.
I heard click.
So it's that one.
It always
So
clicks.
that's the extra one you gotta get from the harness. So then we're gonna bring this one over to that spot.
Yeah, we're gonna plug that. You have to move this a little bit so you
Okay.
can get this
Get a
plugged
little
in.
closer. Okay.
Heard it click.
So
You can hold on.
let me move the radio a little bit on my right hand, so it gives you room to get it with your left hand. Okay, Jesse, go ahead and go for it. Start. Basically, you're gonna plug in everything back to where it belongs.
this cable, it plugs into like.
Yep.
That one's in. We have this other wire connector.
Joanna, shh.
Wait, another
Ooh.
connector. Wait, there's another connector.
You could get those blue ones on the right first, on your right hand first.
We can get those connectors.
Yep.
This is the blue one. Snap it in.
Yep.
White one next to it. This one, we're gonna get this clipped on.
Tilt it a little
Like
bit, give you more room.
Thing. There, got this plugged in.
So we're getting closer.
Antenna. We have this gray one here. This gray part will plug into this gray part here. You won't be able to see it because it's blocking the wires. Yeah, I heard a click. Wait, there's another wire over here. It's another one. There's another one that plugs in to like right here.
Remember, we gotta plug in every single wire. But the good thing is that, Joanna, the good thing is that they only fit in one spot. You can't get these wrong.
Yeah, I heard it. I'm just wait. There's a click.
Did we get all the wires?
No. Wait, there's one more wire that I have to plug it in. Wait, there's one more wire somewhere.
No, there's one open plug. That's okay. So that open plug in the middle is not a wire, Jesse.
Wait, there's a bottom black part here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, there's a bottom black part, but I found it.
Okay.
I found it already. That needs to be plugged in, so we'll plug that one more there.
Okay.
That they need to be plugged in, so we'll snap it.
So we got it all?
Yeah, and there's one open port there.
There's one, okay.
Yeah.
And that's it. I'm not sure what that open one is for. I'm sure it's a certain feature for that.
Yeah.
So just let's hold this. You hold it, because I'm gonna tuck it in a little bit cleaner.
The radio, we need to get the wires in like there.
All right, thank you, Jesse.
So the wires don't kink and break, just in case we don't want to use it.
We're just gonna clear it and make sure everything looks clean and neat here. And then we're just gonna push it in back till it's a nice spot there. Looks good. So then we're gonna have Jesse bolted in.
Now we're gonna bolt it in, install it.
Okay, keep on bolting up.
Yeah, we have this bolt on. We're gonna bolt.
These guys are killing me.
Everything's
Everything's yours?
bolt it up. Lash. Have the other wires get this in. Bolt that secures.
This is what I go through, guys, every day. Dad life.
Secure the other ones. I don't want to tighten it because I don't want to strip it and everything.
You're silly. That's right. We don't make them too tight until we get them all on.
Yeah, I just don't want to strip them.
Okay, you're gonna hold this while I put the face back on.
We have the space thing on the back. Alright. We're gonna get that face on.
Left side first.
After this.
Oh, hold on. There you go. That's reverse.
It still works.
So when it's in reverse, it works just like you're normally used to, right, Jesse?
Yeah.
Go ahead and take it out. So what happens is that it automatically goes to the front camera for 30 seconds. If you go after a certain speed, I forgot the speed, 15 miles an hour, I think it is, it'll turn off as well. So in a few seconds, it's going to turn off automatically. You can also hit the mode button on the steering wheel to cancel that. You can do that.
Okay, we're gonna cancel that.
So that's how you cancel it. Now, Jesse, let's demonstrate how we can get the camera to work anytime.
Camera, push the mode button 2 times, and if you want to scroll up and if you want to see either front back camera, push the down button to scroll back or up for the front camera. If you want to turn off the camera, push the button once.
All the kids wanted to get it in the truck this time to do the work. I want to say thanks, Jesse, for helping me out as usual. You've been a great helper. And there's Joanna right there, and there's Jonah, and we're actually going to have another one if you didn't know, by the way. So I want to say thanks for watching this channel. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. What do you say, Jesse?
Peace out.
Peace out, guys. Okay.
Yeah, that's all that noise.